Alright. Well folks, what's good? Welcome back to the vlog. New season, new championship. So we're on our way to Ladyhill Quarry today for the first round of the Proride Extreme Championship. And yeah, actually I went up yesterday and I walked the track. Didn't actually film anything, but it's looking good. There's probably maybe 10 or so hard lines, and I reckon I can maybe do 4 or 5 of them. So we're going to go up today, give it a go. I mean, I have no expectations for this championship. We're obviously going to focus on the regular Enduro Championship, but seeing this weekend is a bit of a bonus round. In 2 weeks' time, we have the first round of the Proride Enduro Championship, and it's also at Ladyhill Quarry. So the way I see it is, we're going to go up here today, we're going to have fun, get a bit of practice in, and if we can do this week, then next week's going to be a breeze. But yeah, been working hard over the off season, getting myself into better shape, and obviously getting more bike time. So feeling quite good today. Hopefully we'll see all the hard work pay off. But yeah, I think today the key is going to be getting a good start. Obviously with us being in the sportsman class, abilities vary here, and there's going to be a lot of people, probably including myself, biting off more than they can chew, getting stuck in obstacles, and then that's going to cause tailbacks. So good start, good first lap, good solid first lap. Just try not to get stuck. Might avoid some of the hard lines in the first lap just to make sure we keep moving, we aren't getting stuck in queues. But yeah, I'll catch up with you when I get to the quarry. I'll see you then.
Did you knock me off with one?
So home, had a shower, had a bit of time to reflect on the race, and you know what, I think I'm going to be seeing Sherco's my sleep tonight. It just seemed that every time something happened there wasn't a Sherco too far away. Today was probably the biggest field we've ever had out in Sportsman. I think there was 80 riders, and you know, last season I was sort of around the mid-30s with 70 riders, so if you told me today that I would have finished 23rd out of 80 odd, then I probably would have been very happy. You know, it would have been nice to score some points, but yeah, I mean, I said before at the start of the video that, you know, it was going to be important to get a good first lap. Ended up having a poor start, slipped way back, and then again, like I said, got stuck in a queue, and then yeah, tractor tires. But yeah, we go again 2 weeks time, or well, when you're watching this video, it'll be a week's time. We're back at Ladyhill for the Enduro Championship, the first round of it. Hopefully we can take what we've learned, build on what was a pretty decent round for me, and hopefully go in, score some points, and get ourselves going in the Enduro Championship. So yeah, I will see you then. Cheers.